Ready to start trading with your $30 no deposit bonus? Here's how to claim it. First, log into your account using your email and current password. Once you're in, look at the toolbar and click the More icon. Then, click Rewards and then click on Bonuses. Here you can see all the bonuses you're eligible for when you make a deposit. To claim your no deposit bonus, click the NDB tab. You will have 30 days to claim your NDB after opening your account, and you will see exactly how much time you have left right here. This is a no deposit bonus, which means that you don't need to make any deposit in order to get it. Simply click the button to claim it. Note that the NDB amount for me is $30, but this amount may vary depending on your location. Once you've claimed it, it will be easily reflected in your balance, which you can see right over here next to your account type label. To confirm that you've claimed it or to see all the bonuses you have claimed, click the History tab. You will see the NDB listed as claimed right over here. And that's it, you now have $30 extra in trading funds to trade with without making a deposit. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other videos where we cover more tips and step-by-step guides to help you easily navigate trading with XM. Thank you for watching and see you next time.